guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today what we're going to be doing is I want to make a DIY for my bathroom, and this is coming from the Dollar Tree and Target's Dollar Spot. It's going to be really cute, I think, so let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. Okay, many of you will remember when I hauled this from Target's Dollar Spot, this little wooden wheelbarrow, and I got it in like the whitewash, the kind of the white one, and it was $5, okay? And then you're going to be needing some different types of floral from the Dollar Tree. I love anything that looks like lavender, and I love pinks and purples, so I just have a variety of flowers from the Dollar Tree, okay? So whatever kind you want. Then you need one of these little foam round little balls, and I cut mine in two, and I'm pretty sure that came from the Dollar Tree. And then you're going to be needing some Waverly Chalk paint in the mineral. I've used this many times. I love the color. And then some Waverly Chalk paint in the plaster. I think this is going to be so pretty. Then you're going to need a foam brush, and then a well-loved brush for some dry brushing, a paper plate, and something to cut your stems with, okay? So let me go ahead and cut all my tags off and put the camera down, and we'll get started on this DIY. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is open the Waverly Chalk paint in the mineral, and I definitely need to get some more. I hope I have enough to do this project. If not, I may have to switch, but I think that I will. Okay, and I just want this to look very old and just very farmhouse. This would even go French country. I just think this is going to be so cute. Okay, and if you wanted, you could dry brush it like this, even with the foam brush, and get a really nice effect. And you could leave it just like that, and you would be saving a step, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to paint mine all over. I think it already looks better. Okay, and we will just keep going. I'm going to paint the top. And you could put this any color that you wanted. I just happen to want mine like this. But the Dollar Spot has so many nice little items that you can use to make projects with, and they're very economical. And then by the time you add that and the Dollar Tree, well, you really can't go wrong. Okay, and that's what we're doing. So for time purposes, so you don't have to watch me paint this, I'll be back as soon as I get it painted. All right, I have it all painted with that mineral chalk paint. I think it looks so pretty. Okay, now what I want to do, and you could put more of the mineral chalk paint on it if you wanted, is I'm going to use the plaster. And right here is where I'll probably pour out a little bit, because you don't need a lot. Just a small amount. Okay. And then I'm just going to take this and just drag it. That's why I said if you just wanted to, you know, just barely, if you wanted to dry brush the mineral over it, you definitely could, because it's going to give you the same effect, and you could save a step. But I just wanted to do this because I want mine in a few places a little heavier than others. And I want the corners to pick up really good. And just have a light hand. And you can see how that top is picking it up. And like I said, you could put any color on there that you wanted. If you wanted to make it darker, you definitely could. That would be really pretty. So you've seen me do this so much. What I'm going to do is just go away for a while, and then I'm going to come back when I have this dry brush like I want it, and then we'll start putting the arrangement in. But I think it is really giving it some flair. I'll be right back. Okay, this is what we have, and I just love how the wheel turned out. It just looks old to me. I just love how that is. Okay, and I did the edges. And if you wanted, you could paint down in here, but I don't think I'm going to. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is, like I told you, I cut this ball in two. Okay, it fits perfectly down here just like this. I just got a phone call, so I had to hop off for a minute. But that looks just like that. Now what we're going to do is just start putting some of this greenery using lavender and lilacs. I think this is going to be so cute. All right, and we're just going to cut some off however long we want. But this would even make a cute Mother's Day gift, actually. Okay. Then we're going to come in with some of these. And just start putting them in here. I just want this to look like a very beautiful garden. And you could glue this styrofoam down in here if you wanted. I just don't want to glue mine. And that's what we're getting so far. But like I said, you can glue it if you want. I don't want to glue mine because I may want to take it out and do something else. So, and I'm just using basically the scraps that I have left over from the Dollar Tree. I don't know why, but lately my Dollar Tree has not had very good florals, and that's really sad because they always did. You could always, you know, go in Dollar Tree and pick something out that was beautiful. I don't know if they got a new manager. I don't know what the deal is. But that's what we're getting so far. I think this is so pretty, okay? Now we're gonna switch colors. I love purple and I love pink. But you could use any kind of flowers that you wanted. I just want it to look like a garden, like I said. I hope I have enough. Oh, that is looking so pretty. And I love it against this collar. Let's see. I want this one because it's sort of hugging in there as well. That is so, so pretty. Okay, now I think I'll put some more of these down in here. You could even put, if you wanted to, which is what I started to do, you could put these succulents from the Dollar Tree in there. I started to do that, but then I was like, no, I really want it to be floral since it's summertime, and I just think that it would look so pretty in my bathroom and just look happy every time I walked in there. So that's what I ended up doing. And I'm loving it. And I think I'll try this one. It's a little different, but I think it will add a lot of interest. Okay, and I think we're going to call this done. I think it's so, well, I need to put something right here. Right there. Well, here it is. I think this is so pretty. I really do love it. And you could, if you wanted, you could stencil a design or some words. You could even stencil Happy Mother's Day on here if you wanted. I just think it is such a pretty, simple little project, and it didn't cost hardly anything because I already had the paint, and this comes from the dollar spot at Target, and these are Dollar Tree. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys. Hey guys, I thought I'd hop back on here and show you. I don't know if I'm going to put that in the bathroom or not. I want my bathroom to be beautiful, but that is just so pretty here on my drink station. I may just leave it here for the summer. I'm not sure. I need to get some straws and put in there. But I think that is really pretty. So I'm thinking I'm revising this. It's not going in my bathroom. It's going on my drink station, but it would definitely make a wonderful Mother's Day gift. I really do love it. Bye guys.